up, TubeU? It's your boy Coyote Mike. So I'm back with another video. Actually replaced my wheel and hub bearings and my upper control arms yesterday, and the video was taken down due to copyright music. I actually went live, but they pulled that video down. But let me show you guys, just in case you guys are wanting to go with a level kit. I got a 3-inch Mammoth level kit from American Trucks, if you guys know or follow the channel from previous videos. By the way, if you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel. And we got a lot of good stuff coming to the channel. But yeah, so if you guys are thinking about replacing your or getting a level kit, basically the pucks, I got a 3-inch in the front and 2-inch in the rear Mammoth from American Trucks. So if you guys are thinking about getting that, let me show you exactly what is going on with my truck and the reason why I had to change this out. Okay, so here we go. Let me bring this over here. All right, you guys, so here we go. So this is what I got going on with my upper control arms. You can see right here how it's just ripped to shreds, and this one's actually pretty worse. This one's just torn to bits. So you can see, so what's happening is water's getting down in there, and this is no good. So if you ask me, after about a year, I want to say about a year and a half or a year and 3 months after having these, without replacing your upper control arms or the spindles, I would tell you now, if you're thinking about getting a 3-inch lift or a level kit, I'm sorry, I keep calling it a lift, but 3-inch level kit, replace your upper control arms, and it'd probably be a good idea to replace your spindles. Now this does come with a lift kit. You get your upper control arms, your spindles, and your spindles actually connect right here to your lower control arm, and it gives it that height. So right now, this is how my truck is sitting right here. See if I can get in there. So you see that right there. So that's where my truck is sitting right there. Let me put the light on. So I'm gonna be replacing the spindle right here, but you can just tell. You see how that's supposed to look right there, that bushing right there? So I went with a bigger, beefier control arm, but I am going to be replacing those real soon too. And not only that, but the wheel hub bearings as well too. So let me show you guys that. All right, so here we go. This is the wheel hub bearing right there. So what happened was, this thing is just, it was just locking up, and it just kept making a noise. I can't do it right now, but it's not doing it right now, but we went ahead and replaced those too as well. So if you guys are thinking about doing a level kit, and I highly recommend changing out your upper control arms, going with something a little bit beefier, or replacing the spindles, just so you could get that ride height back to basically factory style. Won't be factory, but I mean, at least you'll have more clearance, because right now what my control arms are doing, they're sitting down at an angle like this. So I need them to be right around here, so that way we ride level instead of stressing them out all the time like this. So that's coming soon. I'm going to be replacing some spindles. I'm actually looking for some spindles right now from FabTech, but got something else pretty cool coming to the channel too. So we are going to start powder coating some of the parts on Venom here. So I already got a sandblaster. I got to get the cabinet. Already picked up the powder coat gun right here, and I just got this small little, I've been calling it my easy bake oven, but picked up Jake's powder coating oven. So we're going to be doing some small parts in there Probably put the calipers or something in there, some shocks if they'll fit, control arms, stuff like that. Just got to remove the bushings, all the rubber components in there, because that will melt. So you guys stay tuned to the channel, man. We're going to start getting our easy bake oven on and start powder coating some stuff. So nonetheless, man, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel, turn on that bell notification, and smash that like button, man. It really helps out the channel. Don't forget to go check out my boy Living with 3M. Also, Tim Robb Show and Tell. Much love to you guys, man. Until next time, it's your boy Coyote Mike.